recording the sewer line here at 951 164th Avenue Southeast, Bellevue. The date is May 16th, 2018. What you're looking at here is the Bellevue City main sewer out in the street. Kind of see it flowing by, but it's down there. We're about 80 feet out from the clean out in the front of the house and pulling back from there. There's the drop in and we're coming back. This is concrete pipe. There's a turn there at about 65, sharp 90, maybe a tiny minor root coming in there. Other than that, the pipe's in pretty good condition until you get right back near the house. A minor root, that might have been some of what I already cut off there. 33 feet. As we get closer, minor root on the left there at 22 feet. And here are your big ones causing the blockage. So, see there's a hole in it that I was able to punch through. But root is taking up the majority of the pipe right there. You see that? And so at one point it was 4-inch. It's now shriveled down. The root's growing like that much through it. It's got like 1.5 inch gap for toilet paper and waste to get through. And that is the one that was causing the blockage. There's also one coming in here right on the outside of the clean out. Not quite as big, but unattended will get bigger. That's it.